Time freeze.
You have to like try to make the bubbles go all the way.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jonah, recording right now. Here's my friend Ryder. He has a pair of tweezers or pliers right now. He's gonna pull out his tooth.
Should I wash these first and then wash them?
No, they're fine. They've never been used.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
I'm doing it.
Okay, hold on. Do it.
Oh, wait.
Oh, is he? Pull.
Ah.
Just pull. They're right there. Now pull.
Oh, good. Better blood. I can't do it in here. Yeah, let's close this.
No,
my
stop.
tooth goes in.
Oh yeah.
And then we can have it.
Okay, ready? Do it. Come on.
Oh my god.
Okay, just put the pliers in. Sorry guys, but it's blurry.
Clean your camera.
No. Now pull. Just go like that. Just rip it. It doesn't hurt as soon as you rip it. I know it's a little bloody.
Hanging. Oh.
Here, go like this a little bit. Here, I'm gonna show you too. Just go like that a little bit. It's
Dude,
wiggling.
you're.
Just pull it out.
Come on, Ryder.
Pull it. He pulled it. Did everybody see that? No, nobody saw that.
Oh.
View it. View it on camera. Okay, guys, look what he did. I'm sorry, but you guys didn't really see that. Oh, gross. It's okay, dude. It's okay.
Oh.
It's blood. Oh, dude, that's blood. Okay. I'm gonna film it. Okay, hold on. Hold on.
I hate it.
Here, hold on. Let me see.
Take the bed.
Here, look at the camera, guys. You see that? It's so bloody. Oh my gosh. That's so bloody.
Can you go get me some red
Tissues?
No, water.
Oh, water. Okay.